Have you ever wondered about the colossal marvel that is the Statue of Unity? The inspiration, the conception, the construction, and the completion, each step of its journey is as awe-inspiring as the monument itself. The inception of this grand idea can be traced back to October 31st, 2010. On this day, the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi, announced his vision to erect the world's tallest statue, a tribute to the Iron Man of India, Vallabhbhai Patel, who played an instrumental role in unifying the country post-independence. A nationwide campaign known as the Statue of Unity movement was launched to gather public support and funding. Iron farming implements were collected from nearly 7 million farmers across the country, symbolizing unity. The project kicked off in earnest on October 31st, 2013, with the laying of the foundation stone. Over the next 5 years, the vision started taking shape. A team of over 3,000 workers and 200 engineers worked tirelessly, transforming 25,000 tons of iron and 90,000 tons of cement into a towering symbol of unity. On October 31st, 2018, the dream was realized. The Statue of Unity, standing tall at 582 feet, was unveiled to the world. The monument, twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty, had finally come to life, overlooking the Narmada River and the Sardar Sarovar Dam. An inspiring journey, isn't it? From a mere idea in 2010 to the world's tallest statue in 2018. The Statue of Unity encapsulates the spirit of India's unity and pays homage to one of its greatest leaders, Vallabhbhai Patel. To recap, the Statue of Unity is a testament to India's unity and strength. Born out of a vision in 2010, the statue stands as a tribute to Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Its construction, a national effort, involved the collective work of thousands of workers and engineers and the contributions of millions of farmers. Unveiled in 2018, the statue now stands as the world's tallest, symbolizing the unity and resilience of a nation. So next time someone mentions the Statue of Unity, remember, it's not just a statue. It's a story of vision, unity, hard work, and national pride that stands tall for the world to see.